Hello, this is Kevin Lee Cardoza, and in this video, we will be discussing the types of media. The objectives of this lesson are to classify contents in different media types, to define media convergence through current examples, and to discuss in class on how individual or society is portrayed in a public using different types of media. So we'll proceed with the first category of media, print media. Print media is a media consisting of paper and ink, reproduced in a printing process that is traditionally mechanical. The first advantage of print media is that one of the oldest and most basic forms of communication. It includes newspapers, magazines, banners and graphics, posters, and other forms of printed material. It has been said that print media has been present since the start of human history. From the existence of hand imprints found in prehistoric dwellings to the invention of printing press. Another point is that its contribution as a media is in providing information and transfer of knowledge is remarkable. Even after the advent of newer forms of media, the print media has not lost its charm or relevance. Also, magazines and newspapers are the dominant traditional print media used in advertising. While digital media expansion has affected the use of print, it remains a viable way to advertise. Lastly, the primary strength of print relative to digital include tangibility, an enduring message, and high credibility. To this day, some people still prefer to read media in print as opposed to digital formats. Now we move on to broadcast media. Broadcast media is the media that includes radio and television to reach target audiences using airwaves as transmission medium. One of the advantages of broadcast media is its wide reach. Whether it be local or national target audience, a wide market can easily be assured. Also, you might say setting up a radio transmitter might not be very economical. The prospect of reaching thousands, if not millions, of people through a single medium might be the thing to seal the deal. Now, we're moving on to new media. New media are contents organized and distributed in digital platforms. It is the product of information age, an amalgamation of internet and computers for the purpose of receiving and sending information. It can also be considered as the transition of the older media, also called as traditional media, into digital channels. Examples of new media include online advertisements, live streaming, web news delivery, and other forms of new media such as those pictured here. Nowadays, we utilize new media at an increasing rate as people increase their accessibility. Now we will be discussing media convergence. Media convergence is the coexistence of traditional and new media. The coexistence of broadcast media, the internet, mobile phones, as well as others, allowing media to content to flow across various platforms. It is also the ability to transform different kinds of media into digital code, which is then accessible by a range of devices, thus creating a digital communication environment. We can see several examples in the field of advertising. In the screen, I am showing you the promotional materials for the game called Witcher 3. That includes a printed manual, map, stickers, and digital content in the form of video game, trailer videos, and reviewer commentary in the form of audio. Another field that managed to cross multiple media efficiently would be those who are in the field of news and current affairs. An example would be the Philippine national newspaper, Manila Bulletin. They started out as one of the oldest newspapers in national circulation. Now, they have managed to seamlessly transition to new media by providing web content in their website as well as video content via YouTube while retaining their grip in traditional media.